see the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast breeze, got the vibe on lock. Cruising all day, no tick-tick of the clock. Hit the beach, feet up in the sand. Ooh, yeah. Wave to the ocean, yeah, it's part of the plan. Retro shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by. Late night lights, city shining in gold. Story after story, all the legends are told. Cruisers hit the streets, hear the engines purr. Low riders dipping, making heads turn for sure. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast groove, got the beat so sweet. Keep it rolling steady, feel the heat, feel the beat.
बिल्कुल सच्ची
Rolling slow past the shore, sun's on the scene. Oh yeah. Palm trees swaying, we keep the chrome clean. Shades on my eyes, feeling real supreme. Hey. Bassline bumping like you're living a dream. Bump. Let the good vibes ride. Talk box screaming while the sun collide. Groove all day, let the rhythm decide. West Coast chill with a cruiser's pride. Barbecue smoke in the air, catch the scent. Oh, smells good. Chilling on the hood where all the time gets spent. From the boulevard flip to the beach we went. Yeah. Hustle, smooth talk, can't pay no rent. Bump. Bounce. Let the good vibes ride. Talk box screaming while the sun collide. Groove all day, let the rhythm decide. West Coast chill with a cruiser's pride. Yeah. Sparking up the vibe, let that energy roll. Flip a coin on the scene, let the summer unfold. Snapping fingers at the homies, yup, we in control. Cause around here we spit life in gold. Retro threads rocking top down in the breeze. Funky flow gliding, doing just what we please. Catch the sunset rays dripping orange with ease. Hey. It's a West Coast anthem, living free like the seas.
agra where the sinners played preacher. Graffiti scriptures on train cars, a steel messenger. Cobblestone pathways, souls caught in a shuffle. Every breath's a gamble, life's one long scuffle.
Sirens kiss the night with their mournful cries. Alleyway choirs sing the truth behind the lies. Broken glass mirrors, the dreams left for dead, where hope's just a story that the old heads fed. Concrete jungle sermons spilling in the veins. Blood rivers flowing through urban chains. Skyscrapers whisper the secrets they hold. Above and below, the streets stay cold. Clock ticking symphony, danger's baseline. Rats scurry faster, chasing shadowed lifelines. Moonlight hits the metal, chrome sparks glow. Temptation lingers, heavy where the shadows grow. Block wars wage where the cracks reveal scars. Currency exchanged in the shells of old cars. Young kings crowned with crowns made of sin. Pawn shops thrive, dreams locked deep within. Fast hands feed the slow with the devil's grip. Wisdom's just a phantom, those with power skip.